Amazon must-have beauty product. Here are things you need in a girl's bathroom to organize your bathroom. Start with this makeup brush cleaner. Just add water and soap and attach your makeup brush, and you spin the brush in and out of the water until it's clean. Amazon must-have beauty product. This hot or cold pad is an Amazon must-have beauty product. You can throw it in the freezer or microwave. It's great for cramps or a migraine. Things you need in a girl's bathroom. These large claw clips come in a set of 6 and will not slip out of your hair. These super cute travel pooches are also dishwasher safe. Amazon deal today. These soft headbands come in a set of 3 and are perfect to hold your hair back when you're washing your face. This ice roller, just keep it in the freezer and use it to reduce any swelling or puffiness. Everything is linked below in my description. More Amazon must-have beauty products. This electric head massager stimulates the scalp to encourage hair growth. Magnetic bobby pin holder is amazing and so cute. This heat-resistant mat for your hot tools is also a carrying case. Triple barrel curling iron. This hair texturizing spray comes in a pump and makes it so much easier and precise to use. This is a perfect adapter for this thickening spray. Fills in your hairline perfectly when your hair's a little bit thinner. These hair braid extensions give you the perfect full ponytail or braid, and they are so easy to use. Just tie the extensions directly onto your ponytail and leave out a little piece if you want to do the braid, and then wrap the hair around the top. All things you need in a girl's bathroom, linked below. This nail kit is so easy to use, an Amazon must-have beauty product. This is a UV cleaning tool. Use it to clean your beauty blender or other makeup or even your phone. It removes germs and bacteria. Amazon must-have things you need in a girl's bathroom to stay organized and clean, linked below. For all my blonde ladies, this is one of the best beauty products you need. This blonde enhancing shampoo is amazing and literally just takes a few minutes to give your hair a pop. An Amazon must-have beauty product linked below. Okay, something you need in a girl's bathroom. This is so perfect. This is a pH enhancing lip balm that gives your lips the perfect natural tint to match your body's natural color. It's super subtle, but so beautiful and looks so natural. Amazon must-have beauty product. Is it time to refresh your makeup brushes? This makeup brush set comes with a pack of 15 brushes, the best beauty products and accessories, and an Amazon deal today. These Amazon beauty products are all under $20 and so amazing. If you have dandruff, this Scalp Scrub is amazing. It removes buildup and leaves your scalp so fresh. Amazon must-have beauty product. If you use a hot tool or just find your hair doesn't look shiny and healthy, this smoothing oil and oil mist are an Amazon must-have. The best beauty products you need and are super affordable, linked below. This wrist towel band comes in a set of 4 and keeps water from running down your arms when you're washing your face. An Amazon must-have beauty product. This nail brush is perfect if you have long nails. It's great to get all the dirt that gets stuck under your nails. This cute toothbrush cover to keep your toothbrush clean. This awesome nail kit has 18 different tools in it, the best beauty products and accessories, all linked below. More Amazon must-have beauty products. Organize your bathroom with a makeup organizer. I linked a few below that are great for the countertop. This waterproof phone case is great for the shower or if you're just in the bathroom. A vanity organizer that's beautiful enough to be a decor piece. This cute throw blanket with the pom-poms, and if you are a hot sleeper, this cooling blanket is amazing. This silicone case is great for a MagSafe charger. It comes in several different colors, and they have some with a grip handle and even attachments for a pop socket to attach to the MagSafe charger on the iPhone. This acrylic notepad holder is so chic. And something you need in a girl's bathroom. This beautiful vanity mirror is super affordable. An Amazon must-have beauty product. That was fast. But here is some more Jolly Goodies to watch. And make sure you subscribe to my channel so you never miss a deal.